Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel again. I really appreciate the support, and we've hit 100 subscribers so far, and I'm very excited about that. Today I'll be sharing hack number 2. Hack number 2 is about how I get around places that are impossible to get to using your wheelchair. So one of the things that I wanted to share with you is this device is not for everybody. You must have some kind of muscle strength in your legs in order for you to use this device. In my case, fortunately, I'm still able to walk on a short distances. So I really think that this particular product has really helped me in terms of getting further in terms of walking around and getting around and going to places that I usually avoid. For example, going to the beach, climbing upstairs, and so on. This device has helped me over the last 2 months. I've traveled with it to overseas and bringing it without any issues. So I would say that this device is handy for those who wants to try out and see whether it works for you guys as well. So without further ado, let's get in there and check out the device. Hey guys, I'm excited to show you guys this device today and what it's all about. So Hypershell, Exoskeleton, what does it do to you? It helps me to lift my leg, push my leg further, and be able to reduce my energy level. So what do I think about this? It's an awesome device. I think this is something that somebody should consider buying once they try and research and do their own studies in terms of their ability to walk. And I feel that this device can help you go further. Majority of the people who buys this device is normally for hiking, outdoor activities, cycling, running. But for me, I need to get to places that I normally can't. So this does help me to climb up those stairs, walk on the sandy beach that I've always wanted to do in this condition. So I think I really think that this device has helped me getting there. We're going to go to the beach now. I've never walked on the beach with an exoskeleton before, so let's give it a go. But first, I'll use my wheelchair to get there so that I can further reduce the energy level. Let's go, guys. Up. Alright, we're gonna head to the hut there and hopefully can do it without any problems. So let's go. Whew, easy. This is super easy. Walking to the hut. Oh, get to get close to the beach too. Woo! I can walk to the beach. There's no way my wheelchair can do this. But here we go. Thanks, Hypershell. Hey, Hypershell, make sure you send me all the latest ones, eh? I can do a review. I'm only kidding. Paid this for myself. I don't feel as tired as I would be, but obviously we are still using the same set of muscles. I will feel a little bit tired later though, but at the moment I'm just excited using this thing and I'm just walking towards the hotel now. and I do feel that it's really reducing the number of, well, the energy level that I'm supposed to reduce by now. Normally I'll be on my wheelchair, but I just want to try this a bit more. Let's go. Feel like I can walk a lot faster now. As you can see, my foot or my legs are really experiencing muscle wasting from my condition. That's why I have a bit of a struggle when I want to walk and carry my own weight. So this is really helping me to lift my thigh, so it reduces the amount of energy that I need. But again, this kind of device, you really need to have some muscle strength in your legs, not entirely paralyzed, for example. So definitely, if you still have the ability to walk, you have a bit of strength in your legs, you can still use this device. Otherwise, it's probably not suitable for those people who are fully not able to use their muscles. Made it to the float! Wife is unloading something really cool. I'm gonna show you what it is. Alright. We'll take it out of the box. Thanks everybody for watching that video. I really appreciate your time. I hope that you find that content enjoyable and useful for those especially who are trying to find gadgets that is available that you can try to use to get to places that you usually avoid. You know, I've already tested it for the last 2 months and I find it very useful, and I hope that you know, someone out there will be able to make a purchase decision. So looking forward for the next content, and hopefully you can share with your friends who find this content useful, and see you on the next one.